Hi everyone, this is a follow-up video of our solar industries results review. So on Wednesday we came up with a video about the solar industries results, which was extremely good. And the stock continues to remain bullish, and it has been on an uptrend since Wednesday. So as discussed, these were the estimates: 27.56% sales growth was expected, 46% profit growth was expected, but the company came up with a 37% profit growth and a phenomenal sales growth of 35%, which beat estimates. So beyond that, there is a strong order book that is coming. There is a lot of deals that is coming in from defense. And the company is continuously increasing its capex. So it looks extremely bullish on charts. From a fundamental point of view, it again remains very strong with a lot of solid revenue projections over the next 2 years. Whereas only from a valuation point of view, it remains extremely overvalued at this point of time. So let's again look at the numbers. So for the whole financial year, if you look at it, 24% sales growth, 44% EBITDA growth, and 47% profit growth has been reported by the company. So what is the most interesting thing is the percentage of sales coming in from defense. So it was 9%, 517 crores in FY24. Now it is at 11355 crore. So basically, it has more than doubled, 130 to 140% increase in defense revenues. Percentage of sales, it is 18%. So it is going to keep going up further. So as India continues to increase their investments in defense, solar industry is one leader in this space, which is likely to get huge amount of benefits. So again, if you look at the capex, it was at 668 crore in FY24. This year it was at 1182 crore, which means they are massively expanding, which is again a very positive sign for long term. If you look at the revenue projections, so right now it is at 7,500 odd crores. They are targeting 10,000 crores by FY26. So basically, every quarter from now, the results are going to be very good, and they are likely to post 30 to 35% revenue growth and a similar 40 to 45% profit growth continuously over the next 4 to 6 quarters. And they'll again double, more than double their capex. So this year, last year was 668, this year it is 1182, next year it's going to be 2500 crore capex, which is again massive. So the company is looking to expand further, anticipating more orders and deals. So it has a 17,000 crore order book, which is again massive. So let's look at some of the analysts' estimates. So analysts have increased their price target now at 15,939 per share. So the range is tight from 14,815 to 17,500. So a narrow spread suggests that there is high conviction and agreement on valuation from everyone. So, as discussed, there is an expectation of at least 33% revenue growth next year, and then this is going to be a significant jump from the 25% CAGR, which has been clocked in the last 5 years. So overall, this company has been a multi-bagger since 2020. So compared to the defense industry, so basically, typically, some sectors lead the next bull run. On our charts and screener, defense stocks came in February, but we looked at the valuations and felt it was super expensive, and we skipped it. Now the defense sector is leading the rally, even though the valuations are a little stretched. But if you look at the leader, which is solar industries, it is expected to outperform the entire defense industry by growing at a higher CAGR, because the industry is expected to grow at 13% CAGR, and this company solar is already growing at 25%, and it is expected to grow above 30% in the next 2 years because of strong pipeline and huge demand contracts. So EPS forecasts have been upgraded, profitability expectations have been upgraded. Overall, it is extremely bullish from analysts. As mentioned, it is a growth leader in defense and mining explosives. there is a lot of export opportunities and global expansion as well, which is an additional trigger which can take this stock further up. So they are increasing capex in infra and in the mining space as well. So strong growth visibility. This company is a proper growth investing opportunity. Valuation is very high, but the company can keep growing at very high levels. So the analyst confidence is high. There may be a potential for further ratings if the company continues to show margin expansion. The company continues to grow their EPS at a high percentage in the next few quarters. So let's also look at, so typically you should use fundamentals to identify a stock for long term, and then you should use technicals to make an entry or exit. So from a valuation point of view, it is very expensive. It remains expensive. Mm, Look at the ROC, it is very high. Debt has come down. Overall, the valuation is very high right now to enter this company. But considering that the growth prospects are high, we can find out different ways to, in case if you're holding, if you're trading this and holding some options, then you can see that this became bullish on 21st May. It became bullish. It crossed the conversion line. It is above the conversion line as well as the baseline. It is also far above the cloud. It means that the trend is highly bullish. So if you are looking at trading, you can, if you are holding existing positions, then you can hold on to it till it touches this conversion line, blue line. Fresh positions may not be recommended, but if you're looking to enter this company for long term, then you can again it remains bullish. If you want to enter, you can enter, and you may have to exit here, or you can wait for a correction or a fall. In case the market has a huge fall, the stock can correct on a specific day and may fall below and touch this cloud. Maybe if it touches this cloud or if it goes below the cloud, it can be a good opportunity to enter with a 1 year point of view. So right now it looks expensive to purchase for long term. You can wait for a correction. For short-term trading opportunities, if you're holding, you can hold till this it reaches this till it touches this conversion line, blue line. Otherwise, I would not recommend any fresh positions now. If you look at the volume here, you can see this, right? 750K on Wednesday, 590K on Thursday, and 399K on. So the volumes are gradually going down, but it is huge. So the result was announced on Wednesday evening. So there is a rally, there is a rally. It may dwindle down, but as long as it remains above the blue line, if you have any existing position, you can hold on to it. So on hourly chart, it is again above the conversion line. Even on 15-minute chart, it is above. So only on the 5-minute chart, it has come down. So we have to wait for a few 5-minute candles to confirm if it has turned bearish. So basically, if from 5 minutes, if in 15 minutes it comes down below the conversion line, then again, even in 1 hour it comes below the conversion line, then it is probably time to exit now and then wait for an opportunity somewhere here to enter again. The company is expected to do well. It may give decent returns in the long run. The target price given by various analysts, the bullish one is 17,500. But the valuations are stretched. You can wait for a correction to enter the stock. But overall, it could be one of the stocks for the long term because this industry is having a proper turnaround. Number one. Number two, this industry is expected to lead the next rally. So whatever industries that come up in charts are the ones that will lead the next rally. If you look at 2008, it was led by bull market in real estate. 2013, 14 was pharma, and then every boom will have a specific sector that leads that bull run. So maybe defense is a sector that could lead that bull run. It has already run up a lot. We have to wait and see how this continues, but in the long term, it looks like a strong opportunity. So if you like this video, if you found it helpful, subscribe to our channel. To grow your wealth, to get more investing tips, keep following us, keep subscribing to us. So if you have any questions, post it as a comment in the section. We'll get back to you. If you want us to do any specific video on a topic, you can again post it as a comment in the video. We'll do a video specifically for you based on your question. Thank you. Have a great weekend.